So on today's proper photography adventure, we end our final full day of vacation on the road in the US, doing a hike down to the Little River Lighthouse in Whiting, Maine. One of the lighthouses on my list to photograph. It's chilly this morning. Peggy's gonna clean the camera. And we're gonna head down, photograph that lighthouse.
We're in the US, but we could almost throw a stone into Canada.
We could almost throw a stone into Canada from here. So as some of the instructions online say, park across the street from the Cutler Volunteer Fire Department. There's a parking lot for it. Which is also the Cutler, Maine Post Office. And then you walk down the road about 40 yards, and there's the trailhead.
I'm missing my Tim Hortons. It's just.
Oh, look at Peggy's drinking Dunkin. You can tell we're in the US. How many Tims are there in the US? Or in Maine? 3?
Yeah.
Caribou, 1 in Caribou, 2 in Bangor?
Something like that.
Something like that. They just didn't make it in Maine for some reason. We don't know why. But it's a gorgeous morning. Not a cloud in the sky. It's like 1.1 miles out and back. So it's just a little over half a mile. Spur trail to a mine, 505 feet. I don't remember reading about that. Here we are. Oh, look. The debris has been washed up from storms and tides. I'm gonna say if you were here at high tide, you might not be able to get across this little section. Ooh, a little bushwhacking there at the end, although there was a trail. Here we are. look, we're in the car wash again.
Look at their side.
Pretty.
It's the little things that entertain us.
It's the little things that entertain us.
Back shit.
This time in Ellsworth, Maine. Last time was somewhere in the Gaspésie in Canada. We are on Verona Island, about to revisit a place that I commuted to for 3 years. And look at that. It's a big old bridge. Yep, 3 years of my life spent right here. Deck when every one of these segments was poured, every one of these white tubes was put in, every cable that was pulled through to hold it up, right underneath, right up here in the middle of the night when we poured the final segment. It was a good project to be a part of. The world's highest observatory on a bridge. Bridge about over on the right. Little bridge.
Big area below it. Fort Knox, I remember that.
And it's time to put a bow on it. Vacation's over. We're home. What a great trip. What a great trip.
I'm ready for another one. Let's go now.
Ready for another one. Let's go now. Okay, let's see. 2,386.1 miles. Holy crap. We put in 11 miles. I didn't think it was going to be that many.